Minister wa Karibonde na Professor Kindiki no KURINA kaitaga komo utariria ikarekare aruare direte kyuka kende gorona murumbe omnene yara kinyeri dore muntu edare kiringa ambicha negweta Worldcoin data collection ira kinyedirete nendikino amakwa kitike ugete dirikari na miwete kyonankaniri bombe chakire muntu ndira monte gedira kyuka konto pranende ukwedirete akyara kyantu kerware Bonfils Mongera na kulikidia.
Honorable Speaker, in fact, the more they explain to us or they answer these questions, the more we are confused.
Minister Kindiki bwana ndo walo na minister Karibonde na jandoro ne Kenya Professor Kindiki dhenyesha ntukwena arwa ibashi dhiri Antonia sheke kiri karone bya bunge nyumeba kudro bakengrata na kimegambo egoro BIURIA be mushedo joka mali Worldcoin.
Can we be a bit patient so that I do justice to this issue?
Okay.
The company that has been collecting
give the minister
data,
an opportunity to answer. You have asked him questions, let him answer.
the company that has been collecting the data in Kenya is not Worldcoin. It is a surrogate of Worldcoin, Mr. Speaker. And these people have been apprehended by the security agencies.
Ikinene nakyo na kire kwethrogesho mira kire BIURIA bya bunge ibakwenda kumenya no ingole trende to Worldcoin na kinyithiria ja Kenya etikiritwe no.
Honorable Speaker, I asked a simple question. Whether this company as a foreign company is registered.
Why they have allowed them to collect our data? Simple.
A foreign company shall not carry on business in Kenya unless it's repeated, it is registered under this part or it has applied to be so registered and the application is pending.
Kiriro terero Professor Kindiki nogiramo kudura batina mashokyo jedha otwente toshawe igeta kirinde kurushaome na bakiringira mushumali jo muvya ikwere bakedro bakija kaira jikarone bya bunge ntukwe Jumatano ekimeketwitite.
If there is a way to package the, there is the security aspect, there is the ICT aspect, there is the business registration aspect, there is the so many other things. And perhaps maybe that way we can help the members so that we don't bore you and we don't come here and because these answers are all over the place and it's not enough for one ministry or even the two ministries to respond conclusively.
Report Rantosharu TV, kumaji karone bya bunge, kenyi nangine kirine kemshusho Nairobi, mbita Bonfils Mongera.